What's going to be most different about the Fung Global Institute is the way it engages real business folk and policy folk along with the academics. The business folk will be involved in defining the issues and setting the vision. They'll be very much involved in painting the landscape of what is happening and how it's changing. They will be involved in conversations about how to interpret what's happening. But most importantly, they will be the critical focus in deciding what needs to be done by businesses, what needs to be done in the public sphere, and what has to be done collectively. I think that will be the big difference. We envision in our initial set of projects having 3 or 4 key companies involved in each project. Typically from the company we'll have a fairly senior thought leader. We'll have 1 or 2 key frontline managers who really know the business but also think broadly. And then we'll have some people who really understand the data and what's going on. I'd start by saying both are really trying to do the same thing. Both would argue that they are engagement rather than delivery organizations. But Fung Global Institute will really work on engaging the executives in the studies, in understanding what is happening, in actually developing the results themselves, and in deciding what actions need to be taken. And then, of course, some of what comes out of that can be used by companies in their own learning programs. But this is not primarily a dissemination organization. This is an engagement organization.